kids, today we will learn 25 easy English sentences. Let's start. Good morning. How are you today? I am happy. I am ready for school. Thank you very much. Please help me. May I come in? May I go to the restroom? I finished my homework. I like to read books. My teacher is kind. I love my school. I like to play with my friends. This is my favorite toy. I am learning English. I will try my best. Excuse me. I am sorry. Can you help me? What is your name? My name is Lily. Today is a beautiful day. I love my family. Good evening. Good night. Sleep well.
Thank you for learning with me.